So one part that blew my mind, and I always like this PM angle, is that your PM just wrote a PRD in Markdown and they went to a shipped pull request. Can you give us a couple concrete examples of what they shipped and how that flow works?
Sure. Back in September of last year, we were experimenting with what were the precursor to skills in this agent. This idea that the human driver should be able to teach the model about the things they care about. We were doing some data analysis tasks, so understanding the data ontology of what it means to do business metrics in this particular part of the company was important. And we want the model, we want the harness to be able to pull this information out from the user, right? And, we have this lovely machine that is able to write a bunch of text. It should be easy for it to have a conversation with the user to figure out the things they care about versus the things they don't, so that all subsequent runs that are doing these business metrics questions kind of accrue that leverage context. And the thing that we wanted to explore was, what product shape does this look like, right? How can we give the user the ability to inject durable knowledge into the agent over and over again? So our PM set about to explore this, and the hypothesis was that a library with the ability to both interview the user and learn from all the tasks that the agent was already doing was the way we wanted to package up this capability. And we kind of reviewed the PRD as a team in sort of the beginning of the week team meeting. And at the end of the week, on our demos, without any of the engineers having talked at all to the PM, we had a demo of this feature, and it rolled out to customers in the next week. And this is very, very cool. It was able to be done safely because we have architected our code in a very, very modular way where individual pieces of business logic are able to connect together in safe ways without kind of spaghetti dependencies. Everything takes an interface. The concrete implementations are hidden. It means every bit of business logic that we have, whether it was the skill wiki or the ability to manage connectors, always exports a high-fidelity fake for tests, which means the tests that our PM was vibing into existence actually exercise its dependent services and the real business logic of the skill library without, having to worry about monkey packaging or having tests that don't reflect reality.
I hope you're enjoying today's episode. Are you interested in becoming an AI product manager, making hundreds of thousands of dollars more, joining OpenAI and Anthropic? Then you might want to do a course that I've taken myself, the AI PM certificate ran by OpenAI product leader Mikdad Jaffer. If you use my code and my link, you get a special discount on this course. It is a course that I highly recommend. We have done a lot of collaborations together on things like AI product strategy. So check out our newsletter articles if you want to see the quality of the type of thinking you'll get. One of my frequent collaborators, Pavel Hearn, is the Build Labs leader. So you're going to live build an AI product with Pavel's feedback if you take this AIPM certificate. So be sure to check that out. Be sure to use my code and my link in order to get a special discount. And now back into today's episode. I hope you enjoyed that short clip. You can check out the full episode here.